Hey everyone, I'm Babita. Welcome to my channel. Guess what I'm making today? It's my favorite Bangude fry or fried mackerel. Mackerel is known as Bangude in Tulu and Bhangra in Hindi and Marathi. This recipe is very special to me because I grew up eating all kinds of seafood and mackerel is one of my favorite fish. Unfortunately, Indian mackerel is not available in New Jersey. So watch this video and I will show you where you can buy Indian mackerel and how to fry it. Like I mentioned before, fresh Indian mackerel is not available in the stores. So I have to depend on frozen mackerel. So this is a packet of frozen mackerel that I buy from Asian market here close by. So I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you how the mackerel looks. So you see it's frozen and hard and I get a good amount of it, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and sometimes depending on the size I also get 8 pieces, and this is how it looks. And these frozen are just as good as fresh because I believe they are flash frozen. So just to get a feel of the Indian bhangra which we get in Bombay, I make do with this frozen mackerel. So let me show you how to fry them. I already cleaned a packet of mackerel earlier and I had wrapped it and kept it in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to show you. So this particular packet had 8 pieces of mackerel and I cleaned it, and usually we keep the head portion of it, and I also one second, let me show you. I also scored it so that I can apply the marinade well inside. And now let me show you how to make the marinade. To prepare the marinade, I am going to, or the masala paste, I am going to first use chili powder. Next I am going to add some turmeric powder, some salt, fresh grated ginger, lemon juice, cornstarch, and some water. First I'm going to mix it and I'll see if it needs water, then I'll add a little bit of water. This is a very simple recipe for this masala paste. A little bit more water. And this is done. I like the way this marinade is looking, and this is perfect. Now I'm going to marinate this fish with this masala paste, and I'm just going to pour it first. And of the 8 pieces I decided to use only 6 of them. Now I'm going to make sure that this marinade coats each and every fish properly, and also try to put in between those the score marks so that the fish absorbs the marinade properly. Put inside. I'll move on to the next one. And I'll finish with the rest of them. I applied the masala paste to all of the mackerels over here, and I'm going to allow it to marinate for an hour. And but if I had time, then I would definitely marinate it for 24 hours. I'll cover this and keep it in the refrigerator and allow it to marinate overnight. To fry these mackerel, I'm using organic virgin coconut oil. Coconut oil is perfect for mackerel because it has a aroma, and that aroma helps mask the fishy smell of the mackerel, the natural fishy smell of the mackerel. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use regular canola or vegetable oil. To start the frying, I'm going to very carefully place the fish onto the pan. My mom, she deep fries it, but you can shallow fry it as well. And I'm going to allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes each side. And now I'm going to cover it with a lid. Now I'm going to turn it and allow it to cook on the other side. Look at how beautiful it looks. So these are done, and I'm going to take it off. And then finish off the rest of the mackerel. So I finished frying all the fish and all the mackerel, and you can look at it and check it out. It looks amazing, it smells amazing, and the texture is right. The skin feels crispy, and I cannot wait to try it. If you want to know how to serve these fried mackerels, very simple. In my house, we just have rice and some dal. And a piece of fish. And that's it. This is our meal. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Bangude fry. If you have, then let me know in the comments below. The full recipe and exact measurements are up on my blog, and I have posted the link below in the description. So make sure to check that out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.